do a little update video. We're actually launching from Steam.
We set out to settle the heavens.
Think I'm gonna put it on 2K. 2K. So I only get like 30, 40 FPS. Which is a little rough. We'll do new game. Patch update world. We'll name it Your Mom. We sort of have loading screens. So the main thing is there's actually an AI now. I need to go through and add some like key explanation type shit. Because when you first come up to them, your normal interact with the world is the E key, is the primary interact. So I'm going to build in a part of the quest system where you have to like bring them food or supplies or something. But right now, you just hit E and then you can right click on them and they'll follow. They have like the animations and everything. And then we can make them stay. And we can give them certain tasks. Like, and you can queue them up. So you can have a whole queue of assignments for them to do. So right now all of the like timings on there are really shortened because, you know, I'm testing everything. I don't want to wait for 10 minutes in between each one. But right now she's going around and digging. And then we can see her in the menu here. I want to add the status where it says like, you know, working, or like what the current status actually is. But right now she's digging up stuff. And that should be in her inventory. It's random chances of getting anything, so I'm gonna let her dig a few times and see what we actually come up with. But we have coding to assign them to homes too. So what this is gonna look like is, okay, dig for, you know, 6 hours and then go home. And then they should show up back at like your camp or something and have their inventory full of stuff. I'll probably have that be one of the other conditions, like, you know, go until inventory's full. And then building off that, we'll be able to have like a loop where they'll go until their inventory's full and then unload the inventory and then go back into another loop. And then I can select her. Yeah, we found some roots and some rocks. That's actually enough to go like build a campfire now. So we can take her and look, there's a campfire. Oh, found a bug. I think. I'm not sure if that's just a UI thing or if that's actually, if that stopped her from building the campfire. Nice, something to work on. Yeah, I haven't implemented that explicitly, having them be able to build things and then, oh, it did do it. Okay, so she was working on it the whole time. Ah, it does work. Shows what I know. And then I think we can have her go get sticks. And then what she's doing is looking for actors in the world that are sticks. And then she stands over it and picks it up. They're really hard to see sometimes. Oh yeah, there it is. and then boop, goes away. And she's like, I'm gonna go find another one. Yeah, there's another one. So she's just gonna go around picking up sticks for firewood. I'm curious how well she's gonna do with some of the pathing. Yeah, I think she's probably stuck there. Because you get stuck in the branches, you end up in like a spot that you can't go through. So I'll have to add something that's like, if you're on a task and you haven't moved. Oh no, it's starting to storm. Let's select back to her. Burn! Yeah! So that's most of the update. It's like blizzarding.